Hello, what's up guys? Today we are going to demonstrate on how to input to a RESTful web service. Here we are going to discuss about path variables, request parameters and request body. We are using the same project that we used in the first tutorial. I have added the link to the tutorial in the description below. Okay, let's get started. First we will check how to use path variable. So I'm going to use the same RESTful API that we used before. So I'm adding, let's say in this API we want to send a name. So adding name here. I'm adding annotation path variable string name, and instead of returning hello Java full stack dev, I'm returning him. Okay, let's run our application and see how it works. Okay, application is started, and today I'm going to use Postman to test our web services. So I'm typing, this is get request, so typing HTTP. Yeah, endpoint is hello, and additionally we are passing a variable, path variable. So I will pass dev. Okay, and I'm hitting the API and I'm getting this response. And one thing to notice here is this path variable parameter should match with the variable name that we declare here. So if you declare something like, let's say, if you declare here some other name like, let's say, C or something like that, then you have to give that particular path variable declaration here in order to match it. Let's run it again. Going to Postman and hit the service, and you're getting same response. Okay, now we are going to check how to use request parameter to get inputs to our RESTful web services. So I'm creating new endpoint. I'm copying this one and I'm renaming this to get name, and method name is get name, and using request param name, and I'm going to return the name. Okay, let's run our application. Okay, application is started and I am opening Postman, and our endpoint name is get name, and I am passing query string parameters name dev. Okay, we'll call the service. Yeah, we are returning name, and this is the parameter that we sent here. So similar to path variables, if you are using a different request parameter, query string parameter, then you have to declare here as like if you are using different parameter, let's say it's ABC, then you have to give here the name as ABC. And there are different other options as well, like it is required, like you can define whether it's required or not, like you can define it's optional or not, and you can define default value. Such options are also available. Okay, now we are going to check how to use request body. For that I'm creating a new class to take as a request. So I'll create a new class and name the package as model. Class name is say it's user person. Okay, I'm adding two properties, string first name and last name. Generating data sensitus. Okay, class is created and generating the constructor. Okay, and go into the controller class here. Show names. I'm creating new method. I'm annotating with post mapping. So this is a post request. So I'm adding the URL here. Show names. Adding request body annotation. And here we are expecting a person object. Okay, returning string dot format full name. Person dot get first name and person dot get last name. Okay, now we have created the post present point here, and we'll restart the application and see whether how we are going to call this in Postman. Okay, going to Postman, creating a new post request, selecting post, and the URL is http and show names, and in headers you have to enter content type. It's application JSON. Go to body and select cross section, and here we are going to send a JSON request. So first name and last name. Okay, we call this service and see we are getting the response. Yes, we are getting the response. Cool. Okay, here what happens is this JSON request is mapped to the person class that we created. So we are using the same property names as in the JSON request. So it's been mapped to this class and creating a new person object. If you enjoy this video, please hit like button below, and if you have any doubts on the tutorial, please add a comment in the comment section. And if you learn something new and if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you again in new tutorial. Until then, goodbye.